Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. numpy.genfromtxt is a powerful function in the numpy library that is used to load data from text files, allowing for more flexible handling of missing values. When dealing with data sets, it's common to encounter missing or invalid data points, which are typically represented as nan, not a number, in numerical computations. Hashtag tutorial on using numpy.genfromtxt with nan handling. Hashtag 1. Installation of numpy. If you haven't already, make sure you have numpy installed. You can install it using pip. Hashtag 2. Understanding numpy.genfromtxt. The numpy.genfromtxt function is similar to numpy.loadtxt, but it has additional capabilities to handle missing data. The key parameters that you should be aware of are: name, the file name or file object to read; type, the data type of the resulting array. It can be a single data type or a structured type. Delimiter, the string used to separate values, default is with space. Missing underscore values, a string or list of strings that should be treated as missing values. Filling underscore values, the value to use for filling in missing data. By default, it's nan for floating point arrays. Skip underscore header, the number of lines to skip at the beginning of the file. Hashtag 3. Creating a sample data file. Let's create a sample CSV file that contains some missing values. You can create a file named data.csv with the following content. In this dataset, the second value in the second row is missing. The third value in the last row is missing. Hashtag 4. Using numpy.genfromtxt to load data. Now, let's use numpy.genfromtxt to load this data while handling the missing values. Hashtag 5. Understanding the output. The output of the above code will be: the missing values are replaced with nan. The data type of the array is float64 since nan is a floating point representation. Hashtag 6. Additional functionalities. You can also specify additional parameters such as skip underscore header if your data has headers, or type if you want to specify a structured array. For example, if your CSV file had a header, you could modify the loading process like this. Hashtag conclusion. The numpy.genfromtxt function is a versatile tool for loading data from text files, especially when you need to handle missing values. By specifying the missing underscore values and filling underscore values parameters, you can effectively manage and pre-process datasets containing nan values, making it easier to perform further data analysis with numpy. Feel free to experiment with different datasets and parameters to get a better understanding of how genfromtxt works.